guys? Just woke up, heading into work at 8. 6,000 calories done. I mean, like, I feel pretty good. My stomach's really not that bloated.
Babe, I look like I'm fucking pregnant.
Can't get pregnant.
That shit was buzz.
To record it.
Okay.
Right now, I'm like 800 calories deep. On for the next.
Here. And a Big Mac. And a McWork.
But I'm not about to do no, like, crazy crash diet or anything. I walked in to the cheat meal with like 2,500 calories. I was able to eat, and I ate about like 4,000 calories over that. I'm gonna post it up like somewhere around here. What I ate and how much calories I had, but it was basically 6,000. I feel pretty good, no lie, and I'm not about a crash diet or just not eat shit or anything. I'm gonna just keep on eating regular. Today I'm about to run my 5 miles. Probably eat around 3,000 calories today. That's a little bit under my maintenance. I usually can eat around 3,400, 3,800. So I'm probably just gonna eat around 3,000. So maybe like 400 calories under my maintenance. Other than that, I'm really not gonna change anything up. Just walk more, do a little bit more cardio, and that's it. Like, don't starve yourself after a day of binge eating. Cause I used to have the same problem where I would binge all night like that. I'll ravage a whole full meal from Wendy's or some shit right down the block, and then I wouldn't eat shit the whole next day. And then when night came around, I would start eating again. So I kind of made that video so I can show you guys that, like, just because you have one bad day of eating doesn't mean that your whole thing is fucked up. No, you can just get right back on track and you'll be good. Like, I gained 3 pounds overnight. I went from 163 to 166, and I'm telling you, by Monday, I'm going to be like 164, 163. Like, I have no worries at all. It's not a big deal, guys. Food is just food. Shouldn't keep on bringing emotion to it. And if you have one bad day, you don't have to slash the rest of your tires. If you slash one, you can always just fix it. Not all your tires have to go out just because one of them did. So, peace out. #Never dormant.